So the circuit is working very fine, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the diode, and we connected it to the negative leg of this N-channel MOSFET. As you can see how we connect it, guys, and this 10K to the gate of this MOSFET. So the end of these two resistor and the diode, we are connecting them together like this, guys. So we are connecting them together. So let's go, guys. See, this is the negative from the LED, and we connected it to the middle, and the negative of this solar panel was connected to the end of this resistor and diode that we've connected to the gate, and the negative of this N-channel MOSFET, guys, and the positive of this solar panel was connected to the positive of this LED, guys, and this is our positive input, and the N-channel negative is our negative input, guys. So let's test our project. So guys, as you can see, this is the negative, and I've already connected the negative wire to it. This is our input negative, and this is the positive, like I said before. So I'm going to leave a diagram for this circuit so that we can understand how to build it very well, guys. So we are going to test. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed, and this is our LED. So I'm using 3.7 volt battery. I'm not 3.7. So let me turn it on, guys, and see how it works. So as you can see, guys, it is not working. Then let me cover it. So as you can see, guys, so the circuit is working very fine, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, cover it very well.